Hi guys, Joe here. Today's video is going to be a modern minimalistic railing. I'll have fabrication. Some of my files got corrupted, so I wasn't able to, there's some parts of the fabrication process I wasn't able to uh, upload, but when I was looking at the footage, there's a lot of good stuff in there for the fabrication part of it. The customer is nice enough to let me film the install too, so you guys will see from start to finish. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the action. Well, that's it, guys. That was the railing. The customer was great. He let me film everything inside the house with the install and the dry fit, and he was very involved in the design process and everything. I was very happy with the way it came out. He was happy with the way it came out. It matches his mid-century house, modern vibes that he's got going on. Very nice house. Great customer. A little update on the channel. I have these videos are hard to put together because stuff is spaced out. So it's like I want to be patient and make sure I get the install pictures. Like I have a piece of wall art that's going to get installed. I'm waiting to install that. The weather's kind of put a damper on that, but upcoming projects like I have some pipe rail coming up that I got approval that I can film for a video, and then I also have like some 6-inch channel that I'm gonna make into an awning. I'm gonna see if I can get approval on making a video for that too, which is pretty cool. And then I'll do like I want to do a video with my saw and stuff, so I'll do some updates and videos and stuff like that. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And I'll see you on the next one.